So as we said, Windows PowerShell is a command line administrative interface and full-blown scripting language designed with system administration in mind. It helps you to perform day-to-day tasks. It helps you to automate repetitive tasks. We can write scripts to handle repetitive tasks in a more orderly fashion. We can run the commands against a single machine or multiple remote machines. It is incredibly powerful, no pun intended. Windows PowerShell was originally introduced with Windows Vista and Windows Server 2008. Okay? At that point, and really all the way up till Windows 8 and 2012, it was powerful, but not as powerful as we would like to see. Windows 8 and Server 2012 introduced PowerShell version 3, and in so doing, they added to the number of commands that we have by the thousands. At this point, virtually everything you can think of could be done via Windows PowerShell. Now, I said before, it might just be a preference. Some people might prefer to use the command line. If somebody has a Unix or Linux background, they might prefer to use the command line. In other cases, it's just flat out more efficient. In any case, this is definitely something that you need to know. PowerShell is not going away. It is enhanced with every single version, and it is emphasized more with every single version. Okay, we see that emphasis here. You know, it's with Nano Server. Nano Server really magnifies the importance of remote management. It gives us a truly headless configuration because Nano Server has no GUI. It has no local sign-in options. Everything will be done remotely. Okay, now with Server Core, you still did a lot remotely, but you could actually log on locally and make changes. There was an sconfig utility that would allow you to make certain changes outside of PowerShell. With Nano Server, none of that exists. And so we see this ongoing emphasis and expansion to Windows PowerShell. If you're going to be a Windows system admin, and if you're going to take Microsoft exams, then you are going to have to learn Windows PowerShell. Do you have to learn how to write scripts? Maybe not. But you need to be able to recognize commandlets, the correct syntax, understand the various tools that you have with Windows PowerShell. That's going to be very important. So as we go through this course, we'll spend a lot of time looking at Windows PowerShell because there's going to be a heavy emphasis on it on the exam.